Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna open this Caucasus chips. I don't know the exact pronunciation, pardon me if I'm wrong, and the name of the brand is Frixx. Hope I'm saying it correct. But over here they have a potato and some sort of green thingy, like rosemary kind of thingy, and nothing else. The expiry date is by 2019. Nutritional information is mentioned over here, and nothing else. I'm gonna open it and let you know how it looks like. Friends, it looks like this. Hope it is visible to you. So as I told you, some sort of green thing is this. So if you all have a closer look, the green small dots, yeah, that. Now I'm gonna taste it. Very crispy, amazing. I love it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are part of Georgia, I know you must have tasted this. Let me know whether you like it or not. Thank you.